Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should open the home screen and then pinch with our fingers. Here you'll see widgets icon, just tap on it, and after that you will see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the calendar widget. Just hold it and drag it to your home screen by this way. Now we could see that widget successfully added to our home screen. If you want to move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to resize it, we should just hold it for a while, and after that we could make it bigger or smaller. And just to remove it from your home screen, you should just hold and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.